Hello and welcome to our Quix tutorial, and in this video I will show you the testimonial element. Using this element you can show the testimonial given to you. Click on the plus icon and select the testimonial element. Write the testimonial text here and write the name and the position of the author. Adding an image of the author is very important. You can add the image from your library. You can set the alt text and caption from here. Let's style it more. Go to the Advanced tab, set a padding and add a background. Set the background color. Then come back to the style and adjust the alignment. You may need to control the spacing. That option is here. Select a new font and select font size. Change the font style to italic. Adjust the line height to adjust with others. Instead of leaving the font default, let's use a specific. Change the font weight. Similarly, change all other styles you need. Like image width and etc. Don't forget to adjust it for different devices. In the responsive setting, the mobile, tablet, and desktop views are available. You can change the position from here. This is how you can make some amazing testimonials for your website. The Advanced tab is common everywhere, and we have a dedicated video for it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.